my channel. This is Joice Hair, and this is the process which is very important. When we're doing hair extensions, the very important thing is that we have to make sure the hair extension is same direction. Because when we purchase the hair, the cuticle is all on the same direction, and it is every bundle of hair is from one person, and this process that is very important to make sure you can see every small bundle is from one person, so that the hair is very uniform, and also the hair extension is on the same direction. This is the root of the hair, and this is the tip of the hair. So when we color, when we bleach it, the hair will not mess up. The hair root and tip is still on the same direction. So this is the step we do. And when bleaching the hair, you can see we have to make it like this so that the hair is on the same direction. Every small piece of hair is from one person only, and the hair extension is root and tip. Every bundle is the same. This is very, very important from when we're making hair products.